If you want to automate ad testing and scale your ad campaigns efficiently, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to automate ad testing with AdCreative AI, a powerful tool that will revolutionize the way you create and test ads. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to streamline your ad testing process and start using this tool for your own campaigns. Stick around, because I'll also show you how you can use AdCreative AI for free with exclusive bonuses by clicking the first link below. Let's dive in. If you're familiar with the time and energy ad testing takes, you know that creating high-performing ads can be a process of trial and error. But what if you could skip the guesswork and automate it? That's exactly what AdCreative AI offers. AdCreative AI leverages artificial intelligence to generate ad creatives that are optimized for performance. Not only does it create designs, but it also tests them against each other. That means you can quickly see which creatives are delivering the best results without having to manually track everything. It's perfect for digital marketers who want to scale fast but don't have the time to micromanage every detail. The software works by analyzing your previous ad performance and then generating new ad creatives that are most likely to perform well. All you have to do is input some basic information about your campaign, like the target audience and goals. AdCreative AI takes care of the rest, automatically generating ad copy, images, and even videos. It saves you hours of work and gives you the confidence that your ads are optimized for the best possible results. Now, let's talk about testing. Normally, ad testing requires you to manually split your budget between different variations, track performance, and make changes based on the data. With AdCreative AI, the software does all of this for you. It runs A/B tests automatically, so you don't have to keep track of which ads are performing better. It will prioritize the best performing creatives, allowing you to scale faster and more effectively. The best part? You don't need to be a data expert to make sense of the results. AdCreative AI provides clear, actionable insights. A feature I really love about AdCreative AI is its ability to generate multiple ad variations in seconds. This means you can rapidly test different headlines, calls to action, and images to find the combination that works best for your audience. Whether you're running Facebook, Google, or Instagram ads, the tool adapts to all platforms and formats, ensuring that your creatives are optimized for the specific platform you're advertising on. As you're getting the hang of this software, you might also want to explore its integrations with platforms like Google Ads and Facebook Ads Manager. With these integrations, you can upload your ad creatives directly and track their performance within your existing ad accounts. It takes the guesswork out of ad creation and testing, leaving you to focus on strategy and scaling your campaigns. To make things even easier, AdCreative AI also allows you to collaborate with your team. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur or part of a marketing team, you can quickly share your ad creatives and get feedback in real time. This collaboration feature makes it easy to align everyone on your marketing goals and streamline your workflow. In addition to all of this, AdCreative AI is incredibly easy to use. It's a tool designed for marketers of all experience levels, so even if you're new to digital marketing, you'll find the user interface intuitive and straightforward. Before we wrap up, here's a quick reminder. I've partnered with AdCreative AI to bring you an exclusive and extended free trial. You can access the tool completely free and explore all its powerful features with no commitment. Just click the link below to get started. Automating your ad testing with AdCreative AI will not only save you time, but will also help you create high-performing ads that drive results. If you're serious about scaling your ads and optimizing your campaigns, AdCreative AI is a tool you don't want to miss.